What is shift interlock solenoid? The shift interlock solenoid in automatic transmission vehicles prevents the gear lever from moving out of park unless the brake pedal is pressed. This solenoid also prevents the driver from shifting out of park if the ignition isn't turned on. The interlock locks in when shifting from drive or switch to park, requiring the brake pedal to be pressed to move out of the stop. Both mechanical and electrical wear and tear contribute to the switch's condition. It's important to know the symptoms of a bad or failing shift interlock solenoid. Well, in this video, we'll explore what a shift interlock solenoid is, its functions, location, and how it works. We'll also explore its problems and common symptoms of bad and failing ones. The shift interlock solenoid is a crucial component of automatic transmission vehicles, preventing the gear lever from shifting out of park unless the brake is pressed. This solenoid is designed to manage the locking mechanism that prevents the gear shift lever from being moved out of the park position unless certain conditions are met. It ensures that the vehicle cannot accidentally shift gears when the engine is not running or when the brake pedal is not depressed. The interlock solenoid's location can vary depending on the make and model of the vehicle, but common locations include the transmission housing, under the center console, near the brake pedal assembly, and within the electronic control unit (ECU) compartment. When shifting from drive or switch to park, the interlock locks in, leading to increased wear and tear on the switch. The solenoid is a component within the broader automatic transmission system, and its construction involves several key elements. A bad or failing shift interlock solenoid can lead to decreased performance and potential disappointment in the vehicle's performance. It is essential to know the symptoms of a bad or failing shift interlock solenoid to ensure the safety and longevity of the vehicle. The main function of a shift interlock solenoid is to help in keeping the vehicle in park mode. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share. Parts of shift interlock solenoid. Solenoid coil. A magnetic field created by an electrical current flowing through the coil pushes a plunger or valve, enabling the solenoid to regulate the locking mechanism. This part in charge of the electromagnetic work is the solenoid coil. Plunger or valve. The plunger or valve is the moving part within the solenoid that responds to the magnetic field created by the solenoid coil. When the solenoid is activated, the plunger or valve moves, either engaging or disengaging the locking mechanism. Electrical connectors. Electrical connections are used to connect the interlock solenoid to the car's electrical system. Through these connectors, the solenoid may get signals from other parts, such as the ignition and brake light switches, and use these to decide when to release the locking mechanism. Brake light switch. The brake light circuit and the shift solenoid frequently connect. When the brake pedal is pressed, this switch signals the solenoid that it is safe to remove the locking mechanism and let the gear change lever move. However, with automatic transmissions, a malfunctioning shift solenoid occasionally makes shifting gears difficult. Ignition switch. Another part that communicates with the interlock solenoid is the ignition switch. Additionally, the solenoid may receive signals from the ignition switch to enable or disable the shifting operation, depending on the architecture of the car. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share. How does shift interlock solenoid work? The shift solenoid works in conjunction with the brake light switch and ignition switch. When the brake pedal is pressed, the brake light switch sends a signal to the interlock shift solenoid, enabling the transmission to shift out of park and into the desired gear. The ignition switch also enables the solenoid to release the locking mechanism, enhancing the safety of the shifting process. The interlock solenoid's location can vary depending on the vehicle's make and model, but common locations include the transmission housing, under the center console, near the brake pedal assembly, and some vehicles integrate it within the electronic control unit compartment. These locations allow for a direct connection between the solenoid and the gear shift mechanism. Symptoms of a bad shift interlock solenoid. If you notice your vehicle will not shift out of park, you are skipping gear, you experience delay while shifting gears, or your battery goes dead, you should know there might be something wrong with your car's shift interlock solenoid. The vehicle will not shift out of park. If the shift interlock solenoid has gone bad, the vehicle will not shift out of the park, even with your foot on the brake pedal. You won't be able to drive your car anywhere, which is a significant concern. The majority of cars include a shifter release in case this happens. Skipping gears. Another thing you could notice is that your car skips to the next gear when it has trouble engaging some gears. This is a clear sign that there is an issue with the transmission shift solenoid. Every gear in your vehicle has one or more shift solenoids. If one is damaged, the vehicle will not shift into that gear. It will instead shift straight to the next gear. Shifting delays. Shifting delays are often caused by poor maintenance or high mileage, which can lead to transmission fluid not being changed often enough or at the correct level. This can result in the fluid being unable to protect vital components. When you notice a delay, check the transmission fluid for level, color, and smell. Low fluid level, dark color, or a rancid smell indicates a problem, and the vehicle should be taken to a service shop immediately. A fluid flush may not solve the problem if the fluid has reached this point. Slow shifting may also be caused by shift solenoid issues detected by the transmission control unit, affecting both upshifting and downshifting. Dead car battery. If your vehicle isn't moving out of the park, a dead battery could be the reason for that. This is usually a simple thing you can check before contacting any automotive specialist. If your car won't start at all, none of the lights work, and none of the electrical components are functioning, it's likely a dead battery issue rather than a problem with the shift interlock solenoid. Common problems and troubleshooting of a shift interlock solenoid. The interlock shift solenoid is a component in a car that can also experience issues. Common problems include a stuck gear in park mode, difficulty shifting gears, no brake light operation, intermittent shifting issues, and fuse issues. These issues can be caused by electrical issues, malfunctioning solenoid, or problems with the brake light switch. To troubleshoot these issues, check the brake light operation, inspect the electrical connections to the solenoid, and verify the condition of the brake light switch. If the solenoid is suspected to be faulty from one of the above symptoms, it may need to be replaced. Difficulty shifting gears can also occur due to solenoid wear, damage, or failure in the electrical components associated with the shifting mechanism. To troubleshoot these issues, inspect the solenoid for visible damage, loose or damaged electrical connections, and verify the brake light switch's condition. If the issue persists, consider replacing the solenoid as a preventive measure. Additionally, check the vehicle's fuse box for any damaged car fuse related to the transmission or shift interlock system and replace any blown fuses with the correct amperage. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share. Benefits of shift interlock solenoid in a car. The interlock shift solenoid ensures smooth driving experiences by preventing accidental gear shifts. It requires the engagement of the brake pedal before allowing the transmission to shift out of park, acting as a safety barrier. This feature is especially important in stationary situations, preventing potential accidents. The shift solenoid also contributes to overall vehicle safety by reinforcing the importance of the brake pedal in the shifting process, ensuring drivers adopt a deliberate approach when initiating the gear shifting sequence. It also protects against rolloways, a key risk associated with automatic transmissions. The solenoid also ensures the gear lever is properly positioned before allowing the starter to engage, averting potential damage to the transmission and other critical components. It also serves as a protective mechanism against accidental gear shifts by children, requiring the simultaneous application of the brake pedal for gear changes. The shift solenoid aligns with automotive safety regulations, providing additional protection for both drivers and pedestrians. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share. Check the description below to get the product.